Welcome to the show. My name is Brandon. I'm an online marketing digital marketer. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Click the bell notifications to let you know when we upload new content. And I will be providing you tips. This will be a three-part series, digital marketing for small business owners. So if you're a small business owner, pay close attention to what I'm about to say here because it can be very helpful. These are some tips that you can implement today in your business, online or offline business, and to bring you more clients with with these couple of strategies that I would be giving you in these next few videos. You could use them today. Number one, if you are an online business owner, one thing you want to do is once or twice a month, you may want to audit your website. And you can run your site through several, free tools such as Uber Suggest. You could run it through SEMrush, and it will give you the feedback and the data that you need to let you know where your site is ranking at, or if your site is ranked very low, then you'll know what to do. You could, do site SEO, which will help increase your ranking, but that could take a little while. It could take possibly anywhere from 3 to 6 months to get your site in a healthy position to help you to get more clients and get more leads and to also make more money. If you're an offline business, one strategy that you could use is go to your local Chamber of Commerce meeting and meet up with people there. Get involved, because why do you want to go there? Because that is where all the business people network. This is where you can find leads for your business. It's where you can find people that may want to invest in your business and get a little more capital. And this is where you can also get your name out there to, let other people know who you are and what it is you do. And the more and more you attend these events, the more and more people are willing to do business with you and give you a try. Now, for the online business part, the first thing that you should always do in an online business is always check to make sure that your site is submitted to Big Daddy Google. And why do I say you should make sure your site is submitted to Google? Is because if your site is not submitted to Google, you won't get no traffic at all. And Google will actually tell people to turn away with your site because you'll see this big red screen, and Google is not having it. If you don't submit your site to them, then you're gonna be lost in the sauce, and you will never ever get a client, or you won't get no site traffic. You won't make no money at all. So make sure that your site is in a good healthy position and in a good spirits with Google, and then you can start implementing a couple of these other strategies, which I'm going to tell you in the next few videos, that you can do in order to increase traffic, lead flow, and to get your name out there, so that people know who you are.